Welcome back to my channel. On this one, we see how we can actually give a solution to this problem. I know it's been a while you've seen me on your screen, but on this one, I'm going to solve this particular problem. And the unique thing about this problem is that the solution is 4 answers. I'm going to have 4 values of x. So stay tuned as we go on a short break. Welcome back from the short break. Now let's start solving. So to solve this, you're going to be a very fast thinker. I know some of you may say, in solving this problem, I'm going to do this multiplied by this plus this multiplied by this all over this times this. Alright, that's actually taking the LCM then I multiply it, but it's gonna be stressful. I'm going to have up to an index of 4, which is bulky. But I have another way of solving this, and this is how you solve it. I'll say let x squared plus 4x be equal to a variable. Let me say a, right? So say x squared plus 4x will be equal to a. Now anywhere I see this, I'm going to put a and I'll put a. So here will be a all over 3 plus 84 all over a will be equal to 11. Now looking at this, the next thing to do is to take the LCM. What's the LCM of 3a and 1? Because there's an invisible index of 1 here. So the LCM of this is actually 3a. So I'm going to multiply through by 3a. So doing that, a all over 3 we multiply by 3a plus 84 all over a we multiply by 3a, then 11 we multiply by 3a. So 3 will cancel 3, a times a is a squared plus a will cancel a, 3 times 84 multiply 84 by 3. I'm going to have 252. So here will be 252 plus 11 times 3a is equal to 33a. So the next step now is to collect like terms. So to collect like terms, here will be a squared minus 33a plus 252 be equal to 0. So now I've gotten a standard quadratic equation. As you can see here, this is actually a quadratic equation. So I'm going to solve this using any method of solving quadratic equation to get the values of a. So I want to use formula method because I prefer this method. So using the formula method, so this is the quadratic formula: x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So now I'm going to take out all the coefficients, which is my a, b and c. If you know you are not good at solving quadratic equation, you can go to my previous video and watch a full lesson on how to solve it. But using the formula method, my a is what? 1, b is minus 33, and c is 252. So input all the values and I'll change this x to a because I'm looking for a. So a will be equal to minus into minus 33 plus or minus square root of minus 33 all squared minus 4 into ac. Now c is 252. This is simple substitution. All over 2 into 1, a is 1. So minus multiplied by minus 33 is 33. Plus or minus square root of is 1089 minus 4 times this is 1008 all divided by 2. So 33 plus or minus square root of is 81 all over 2. So now my a will be equal to 33 plus square root of 81, 33 plus square root of plus or minus 9 all over 2. Square root of this is 9. So 33 plus 9 all over 2, or 33 minus 9 all over 2. So now a will be equal to, if you add this, you have what? 2 over 2, or if you subtract this, you have 24 over 2. So very fast, divide the two fractions and a will be equal to 21 or 12. So now I'm going to recall what I said. I recall that x squared plus 4x is equal to a. So now when a is equal to 21, see, when a equal to 21, x squared plus 4x will be equal to 21, and x squared plus 4x minus 21 will be equal to 0. You have still gotten another quadratic equation. So now solve this equation and get the two values of x. So using the factorization method, x squared minus 2x plus 6x minus 21 will be equal to 0. Sorry, these two values won't work. Okay, let me start with when a is equal to 12. Let me start with 12. When a is equal to 12, here will be minus 2x plus 6x. Here will be 12. Okay, so x squared minus 2x, next x squared minus 12 equal to 0. So factorize it. X is common, here will be minus 2 plus 6. X is common, here will be x minus 2 equal to 0. So when they are the same, pick one and x minus 2 will be out. I'll be left with x plus 6 equal to 0. So after this now, I'm going to equate the two brackets into 0 to get the values of x. So equate the first one, x minus 2 equal to 0, or x plus 6 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 2, or x will be equal to minus 6. So I'm getting the first one, x is equal to 2 or minus 6. Second one, when a is 21, when a is 21. So when a is 21, x squared plus 4x will be equal to 21. So x squared plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So using factorization method, x squared minus 3x plus 7x is minus 21 is equal to 0. Group it, x squared minus 3x into plus 7x minus 21 equal to 0. So looking at this, x is common and x minus 3 will be out. If you factorize this, x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 is common, you pick 1 into x plus 7 equal to 0. So I'm going to equate the two of them to 0, and x minus 3 will be equal to 0, or x plus 7 equal to 0. So finally, x will be equal to 3, or x equal to minus 7. So I've gotten the second two answers. So the final answer is that x is equal to this, x is equal to 2 minus 6, 3, or minus 7. So let me just bring all of them down. Finally, x is equal to 2, comma, minus 6, comma, 3, or minus 7. So these are all the values of x, as you can see. So if you substitute all these values into this equation, if you have that strength, you discover that all of them, you have the same answer. All of them will be equal to 7. All of them will be equal to 11 rather. So that's it. It's very simple. So you have gotten all the answers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And this is your first time of coming across to my channel, you can also subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I don't need to tell you all these things, you're supposed to do it. So that's it.
Press that.